Now in Form 3, you have learned zero index and you have learned negative index. And this year, you learned one more as well, which is fractional index, in which the index is not an integer, it's a fraction. So for this one, okay, so you know, square root 2. If 1/4 of 3, it will become square root 3. Alright, so if all these are numbers, okay, if all these are numbers, we will know the answer for this. But how about if we don't know the index like this? What is it? So that's why we're going to explore further. Okay, what is it? Okay, well, in order to explore what is it, okay, let's set up an equation and we try to plot it on the graph. So y equal to a to the power x. So for this, we will call it as an exponential function. Okay, we will use x to stand for the index, and it can't be any real numbers. And the base, which is a, it must be greater than 0 and should not be equal to 1. So because, let's take a look, if a equal to 1, actually it's always equal to 1. So it's meaningless to study for this. Okay, therefore not equal to 1. So the base can be an integer, can be a decimal number, can be a fraction, but once again, it can't be a negative number. So let's see what is the graphs, okay, of the exponential functions. Well, first of all, let's explore when the base is an integer.
The first one's 1/4, and 1/2, and then 1, 2, and 4. So the first one, which is 0.25, and then 0.5, and then 1, 2, and 4. So we see the graph is keep going up, and it's about the x-axis.
Oh, let's see for greater base, y to the 5 to the power x. So this one, maybe we can use up. Alright, so you see, it's also keep going up. Okay, but let's draw it back on our note.
Negative 1 is 0.2. Negative 0.5 nearly to 0.5. So over here, and then also 1 for x equal to 0. 0.5 is 2.25. 2.25 here. Finally, 1 will be 5. Okay, I'm showing it.
First, yes, they are also keep going up. Secondly, the y-intercept is also equal to 1. And then y is always positive. And the graph is upwarding. Okay. Well, let's see. How about if the base is a decimal number? Oh, again, let's use
up. 5x. Alright, this one. Oops, it's also keep going up, but can you see the difference? As compared from the previous two, it's going to the left hand side. But the two before is going to right hand side. Okay. Alright, negative 2 is 4. Negative 1 is 2. And also equal to 1 for the y-intercepts. And then 1 is 0.5. 2 is 0.1 more. Okay, like this. Alright. Okay, so let's combine them here. Well, just combine the last and the first one. Okay, actually you can see they are symmetrical with each other. And let's take a look at the two numbers. 0.5 and 2. Actually, they are a little bit related. If you still remember the rational is actually 0.5 will be equal to 1 over 2 will be equal to 2 to the power negative 1. Okay, that means actually this one is equal to 2 to the power negative x. So that means if this is a negative index, so it's going to left hand side.
Increasing when a greater than 1. But it is decreasing when a is smaller than 1. So you can see clearly. Okay, they are symmetrical with each other. Therefore, continue here and draw there's a axis of symmetry. So there is actually just a reflection image, okay, along the y-axis. And as I explained it, they are interrelated with each other. Okay, so they are symmetrical with each other. Okay, and how about the 1, okay, for 5x, right? Okay, let's go back to here. So I use the third color.
It's also 1? Okay, just simply put it here. So actually we can see that if the base is increasing, it will be moving towards the y-axis. Alright. So maybe I add one more point, which is 4, in which a is an integer. The graph will going towards the y-axis when a is increasing. Alright. So let's do some simple exercise. Question 1. So p actually is the y-intercept. So 0, 1. So when y is increased, the value of y is also increased. Alright, let's keep going up. Oh, you may stop here and then you try 2, 3, 4, and then you check the answer after you finish. So for this one, because it's smaller than 1, so but again the p coordinates is also the y-intercept. So it's also 0, 1. And this time when x is increasing, the value of y is decreasing. Alright, so today you may try the homework question 1 and 2. Okay, question 1 and 2 here. So we will continue tomorrow. See you.